again, I felt the same feeling that I had when I was 16 years old. Yun yung in-expect ko na parang, ito na ulit, nararamdaman ko na ulit yung
Parang
naramdaman
second
ko.
wave.
Parang second wave. Akala ko hindi na ako nai-insecure kasi nakukuha ko na siya ulit. But to summarize it, bro, God gave me what I asked for. The abundance of my career and my financial status that time. Nag-deteriorate yung ano ko, yung mental health ko, yung emotions ko, because I didn't realize na I was becoming an alcoholic for 3 months. Hindi ko na-realize kasi kaya ako nasabi kasi nagsastock na pala ako ng alak sa bahay, hindi ko na mapansin. Weekdays, bro, nag-aaya ako ng inuman. At that time, that's when I realized na parang sobrang empty pala na ito. Hindi pala talaga ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng